Hey, I'm in the middle of flat ironing my hair, and I wanted to just pop in and give you guys a quick tip on how to get your ends straight, especially if you have type 4 hair when you are flat ironing. So what you may come across is if you blow dry your hair or you stretch your hair will sort of look like this, right? And you'll have, single strand knots, you'll have split ends, etc., etc. You'll take your flat iron, right, in a small section, and you'll flat iron. You'll go through, just like I'm going through, on a decent amount of heat, but nothing too crazy, and you'll get ends that look like this, right? And to me, that looks like a lot of damage. So you comb them out and essentially they still look the same. And no matter how much you flat iron them, the flat iron, what it does is it just sort of presses the hair out, but it doesn't exactly straighten the ends, right? What I do is I use the chasing method. So you take a comb. Now, if you have a hot comb, you just go ahead and do this and, the problems are solved. However, today, we're not using that. So you go through, again, with your second pass of heat. You'll hold the comb right next to that flat iron. And as you bring the flat iron down, the hair will go through the comb. You also want to take your time. And then you'll be left with ends that are a lot straighter. Now, whether you need a trim or not, like I do, this will give you a much better view of what you need to do next. And for me, my next move is a trim. So that's it for me. I'm going to continue to flat iron my hair, but if you love type 4 natural hair care information, and you're looking to grow your hair, you are looking for some real science-based tips and to have a little fun, go ahead and subscribe. Look through the rest of my videos. I hope that this was helpful because I know that it's a pain in the butt. And sometimes it's not that you necessarily need a trim. It is that your flat iron is just not doing the best job. I think I have a really long piece of hair right here. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah.